Do you know what green dragon is and why it's perfect for your floral arrangements? It's a light and eye-catching foliage. The best part, it can be painted in many colors, making it ideal for any season or celebration throughout the year. Plus, its texture and volume allow the paint to adhere perfectly without losing its natural shape. Here's how to prepare and paint it to match any occasion. First, we prep the stems by removing about 60% of the lower leaves. See the difference? On the left, the foliage with flowers. On the right, without. The option without flowers is best for painting because the spikes are firm and fully matured. Now, we separate the stems to ensure even paint coverage. Time to paint. 1. We choose a color from Bioflora's color chart, which offers a wide range of everyday, pastel, metallic, and neon shades. 2. Shake the paint, pour it into the airbrush, and turn on the compressor. 3. Apply smooth, even strokes to fully coat each stem. Let it dry, and you're done. Depending on the season, you can use different colors. Valentine's Day, reds, pinks, and whites. St. Patrick's Day, shades of green. Easter, yellow, light blue, and mint green. Mother's Day, soft pastels. 4th of July, red, white, and blue. Fall, bronze tones, copper, antique gold, and deep brown, perfect for elegant autumn and winter arrangements. Halloween, warm oranges and browns. Christmas, red, green, blue, and gold. Iridescent designs, these add versatility and elegance to green dragon, making it suitable for high-end floral arrangements. Iridescent effect, achieved with dark metallic shades for a sophisticated and dynamic finish. Customize your green dragon with the colors you need. Contact us for more options.